Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool gym vent and also squat station that this brand sent to me for the video review. I have to say, this is a really cool thing to have if you have, like in my case, a home gym. This is my home gym when I mainly do cardio. I have my treadmill, my bike, my ab station, my weights, and now I added this. For the past few days I've been trying it, and I think it's super good. Not only because it's super versatile, as I was saying before, this is both a bench that you can actually move and it's not super heavy. And then when you move it away, you have a whole bench station. You have like a whole squat station right here where you can do your weights for sure, or you can use the bar, either like it's like an Olympic bar or a cold bar or a barbell, and you can use it with this extension, with this wider space right here to do the squats, which I think it's fantastic. Not only that, you also have right here a place for your plates, for your weights, and also if you kind of like have enough room to go to the other side, you can also use it as a push-up station. I think this is super cool. I'm gonna show it to you in a few seconds, like in a close-up. And first, actually, let's talk about the assembly process. So I had the whole thing recorded by X reason. I deleted that file when I put it in my computer, so I don't have it anymore. But the bottom line is the whole thing took me like 90 minutes. I want to say like 90 minutes, and for the half of that my wife actually helped me. So my advice is get help, number one, because two people is going to be much better than just one, and get power tools. Doesn't matter if you don't have them, just get them borrowed from your neighbor or something. Get power tools, you're gonna need them for sure. 100% comes with Allen keys, but don't use those. You're gonna probably take more time than that. But bottom line, it's not super bad. It comes with the instruction manuals and all the tools and all the bolts and everything they're gonna need, and the washers. But for sure, get help if you can, and for sure, get power tools. So this whole thing, it's 36 inches tall by 55 inches wide. This whole thing supports 300 pounds. So unless you're Arnold, you're not gonna probably weigh 300 pounds, but this thing supports 300 pounds, and the whole bench supports 600 pounds. It's made of a pure leather, which is super cushion. So you have this station right here for your biceps, your core, and you have this for your abs, your chest, which is also super padded and firm as well. So let me show you some of the things that you can do with this bench in terms of adjustments and moving pieces and things like that. And then let me actually show you some of the exercises you can do. So number one, by removing this pin over here, you have actually 3 positions. You have 1, and then you have 2, and then you have 3 and an inclination, and then you have a 4th position, which is fully vertical, which I think is the best one for kind of like getting the advantage of this one right here. But this, you can actually do chest, you can actually do abs, you can do many other things. So having 4 positions right here, I think it's super beneficial. So the same thing happens right here with the bicep station. You have this position right here, or when you remove the pin, you have this other position, and when you remove the pin again, and you have a 3rd position right here, which I think it's super cool. So you screw it back again, and you have this super firm and secure. Also, you're gonna find below here that for securing your legs, this thing is fully adjustable. So you can actually put your whole pressure back in it, and whatever you're laying down on a 45 degrees position or 90 degrees position, you will be able to juggle with this to get it in your most comfortable position. You can fully adjust these 2 holders as well. You have one for your lower bench, which is gonna be for your chest, for example. Or if you don't wanna use that, you can actually adjust this height as well. So the only thing you need to do is just remove this and put it back in this position. And the same thing with this, and you can put it a little bit taller for your squats. So you match it up with this side and you're ready to go. Last but not least, you have a place for your plates right here. So you remove the secure strap right there, and once you're there, you can actually use this to put all your plates. And remember, this whole thing supports up to 300 pounds, so you have enough room in both sides, actually enough room to use them to put your plates and having them within easy reach for your barbell, your Olympic bar, or your core bar. So the bottom line, before I show you some of the exercise that you can do, is that this is a really versatile thing. This is a really versatile accessory for your home gym. You can do biceps, you can do chest, you can do back, you can do abs, you can do legs with the squat station, you can do push-ups, you can do whatever you want basically. And having the chance to fully adjust it, I think it's really cool. And by the way, going back again to the assemble, it wasn't super bad. Just get some time, just get a drink or something like that, and in 90 minutes plus 2 hours, no more than that, you're gonna get it done with help or no help at all. So I hope this was helpful for you. Let me actually show you in a super quick video some of the exercise that you can do with this really cool machine.